What's up, everybody? Today we're looking at a great new construction home in the suburbs of Dallas, Texas with some pretty good incentives. This one is located in Melissa, Texas, which is directly north of McKinney, Allen, and Plano. And in fact, even if you're going to work on the west side of Plano at Legacy West, where there are a lot of company headquarters, this home would still only be about a 30-minute commute for you, so it's pretty conveniently located. The elementary school is rated a 10, the middle school an 8, and the high school a 7 according to greatschools.com, so very good schools out here. This home has 4 beds, 2.5 baths, 2,103 square feet, a 2-car garage, and you can get it for just under $400K. In fact, this month the builder is offering a $20,000 credit for you to use towards closing costs, buying down your interest rate, or even lowering the purchase price. This particular unit has a master bedroom downstairs, which is also rare for a 4-bedroom in this price point. If you're interested in learning more or you'd like to go take a look, give me a call or shoot me a text at 214-957-2001.